Now next is perfect tense. It is present perfect tense. The structure of present perfect tense is subject, helping verb. As a helping verb we have has or have, third form of the verb, and object. Has with the singular and have with the plural. Okay, subject plus helping verb plus V3 plus object. Now on the basis of the structure we have the following sentences. She has gone to the market. I have purchased a book. Means present perfect tense is used for the action which he has completed just now. They have won the match. Just now they have won the match. Or it is used for the action which was completed somewhere in the past. Okay, and you are applying that action in the present. Have you read Shakespeare? Means you have read Shakespeare somewhere in the past, but now the question has been asked in present, so we say have you read Shakespeare? Third form of read is just uttered as read. Read, read, read. Second and third form is uttered as read. I have finished my work. Now there are affirmative, negative and interrogative sentences we studied, we have read just now. They are called affirmative sentences. For example, I have played, we have played, he or she has played. Okay. As per the subject we have different helping verbs here. Now negative sentence, I have not played, we have not played, or he or she has not played. Interrogative, helping word will be brought forward. Have I played? Have we played? Or has he or it played? I think it's clear. Now next is present perfect continuous. Present perfect continuous, we have subject plus has been or have been plus V1 plus ing. For example, I have been playing. She has been playing. Present perfect is used for the action which started in the past and it is still going on. It expresses the time period for which the action is going on. Next, once again, it is negative. He has not been playing. Mohan has not been playing. Interrogative, again helping verb will come forward. Has she not been playing? Has Mohan been playing? Okay, so this is how we form interrogative sentence. Here are more examples. I have been living in London. I have been learning salsa since 2 months. It is N here. She has not been going to the gym since a week. The workers have been working in the company since morning. The children have been playing for last 2 hours. Next we have past perfect tense. Just like present perfect tense, we use third form of the verb in past perfect also. It is preceded by had. Unlike present perfect tense, we have had in past perfect tense. With all subjects, with either it is singular or plural, we have had only. Here are some examples. I had listened to melodious songs. I had finished my work. He had not practiced the song before he sang it in the program. Where had I left my sandals? The children had made a mess in the kitchen. Now, past perfect continuous. Subject had been, verb 1, ing, since or for plus object. Here also we used past perfect continuous for the action which has been going on in the past. from a particular period of time. For example, the ground had been snowing heavily for several hours. Thomas had been trying to repair the phone the whole day. We had been studying all day, so we were tired. Helen had been listening the same music for 4 hours when I came back home. Daniel had been watching TV for hours before he slept. Now future perfect tense. We have subject, will, shall, have, third form of the verb, and object. For example, Margaret will have married Jerome by then. Tom will have reached the plane by now. Means the action must have finished in the future. Mom will have cooked our favorite meal. Means when we reach home, she will have cooked our favorite meal. You will have finished your repair by this time next week. It must be report. You will have finished your report by this time next week. Will you have eaten when I pick you up? Okay, when I come to pick you, I hope you will have finished your eating. Next is future perfect continuous. Again we have subject, will, shall, have been, first form of the verb ing, since or for plus object. For example, Robert will have been reading various kinds of books on this topic. They will have been driving for 10 hours by the time they arrive in Scotland. Patrick will have been cooking the meal before you reach home. Okay, this will have been going on in the coming future when you reach home. They will have been writing an essay for 2 hours. By next April, we shall have been leaving for the USA.